Hi guys, welcome to Random Trains Part 4. So we're catching a train to Central and then we're going to catch an XPT. Well, not catch, but sit on an XPT. And I'm excited because this is actually my first time on an XPT. First, let's just wait. Yes, there is a B-set Waratah just departing platform 8. I think this is where I recorded the rocks to a part 1. I don't know. There's a Waratah A set arriving into platform number 6. It's A65. Our train's coming in 2 minutes. I think that's our train. No, it isn't. Okay, okay, silly me. Our train is coming in 1 minute. A65 departing, platform number 6. Let's see if we can just see it. I don't know where it is. Here comes our train.
Step back.
It's B9, it's coming in fast.
What is it?
B-set Waratah B9 coming. Jeez. This is the 3rd B set in my random train series. And this is only episode 4.
So stand over here.
Guys, let me come on.
Stand back, Lucia.
Yeah, these screens are like so advanced. So I'll see you in the XPT. Goodbye.